Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about how to open the AEM jar file via command prompt. Go to the respective author folder, type cmd, type java-jar space your jar file name AEM hyphen author hyphen 4502 dot jar space hyphen GUI graphical user interface. Sometimes if I open the AEM jar file directly, the quick start screen is not appearing. If you open via command prompt using GUI, this quick start screen will be appear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends. Thanks again.